Alright, well, welcome to another vlog. I am riding way later than I normally do. Things happened this morning, plans got canceled with the ride. So we're doing a cool ride down to the beach. Gonna go chase some sunsets, check out the view. I'm meeting up with my buddy Aaron off the river trail. I wanna check out his new purple bike build because obviously, purple gang. So let's get started. Damn, Daddy. Damn. Damn. So yeah, that was a nice little ride with Aaron. It was super windy getting down there, so we couldn't get any audio. It was just too muffled. So I'm just spinning my way back home, a few miles away from him, and dope ride. I'm really loving this kit from Bellwether. I'm testing this out for review. It's their Peak Design kit. I'll link their website in the description below, as well as I'm testing out their Axiom bibs. These are their more affordable bibs, but they're actually really comfortable, and I'm really liking these bib shorts a lot. It's gonna be about a little over a 2-hour ride, and they're still super comfortable even for being their more inexpensive short. So a full review is gonna be eventually coming out for those too. I got a lot of their gear I'm testing out slowly, but they're making your boy look good. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn notifications on so you get my weekly vlogs, as well as my reviews that I do periodically on cycling related products. And thanks for watching another episode of Locked In.